You're training hard, eating clean, and for some reason there's still fat around your belly that won't go away. No matter how many planks you hold or sit-ups you do, it just stays there and just won't go. And here's the harsh truth, you cannot choose where your body burns fat. Look at it like this, trying to target belly fat is trying to pick which ice cube is going to melt first. That just doesn't work. Your body loses fat systematically and not selectively. Also, this is based on genetics, so some guys might lose fat from their face first and then others might lose it from their arms first. Meanwhile, like most of us, we're quite lean in the arms, shoulders and other places, but the stomach is where we just hold the most of our fat. And this means that you're not doing anything wrong, it's just how your genetics are doing what they do. So here is how it actually works. Everyone stores fat differently. For men, usually around the stomach area, lower back and maybe even the chest. For women, it's going to be the hips, the thighs and also the glutes. This is a classic stubborn fat zones. And remember, the body doesn't ask permission of when it's going to take fat or where it's going to take it from. It's just down to what the body wants to do, or it does it in its own way. But there are some main things that you need to take into account to actually speed up this process of losing belly fat within these areas. So what should you do about it? Here are two things. The first one is stay in a calorie deficit. Pretty much you're going to have to burn more calories and also eat less calories consistently for maybe a few weeks or even months. You don't need a crazy six-pack meal plan from these fitness influencers or anyone that makes courses on this. All you need is your brain, a calculator and patience over time. Let's say your maintenance calories is 2,500 for the day. The maintenance means that you're not going to be losing weight or gaining weight. This is your maintenance calories that you can stick to on a day-to-day basis. By adding a deficit of 300 to 500 calories, so that means we're eating a few less than our normal maintenance, that is going to take us to 2,000 or 2,200 calories for the deficit. And that is pretty much it. No need to starve yourself or no need to guess, just make sure you track your calories by weighing it and also putting it into a calorie counter. And do not panic if the scale does not drop, because this means that your body is trying to get rid of water and glycogen, so the scales might not drop straight away. Try and stay with this deficit for a few weeks or even a few months if you can. This will prove that the consistency of counting your calories and moving more will just drop the fat off. And this brings us into our second topic, that is going to be lifting weights. No, this doesn't mean that you're going to be burning fat any faster. This is just going to help you build some muscle whilst you're losing a little bit of fat as well. So the goal is to lose the fat and also try and build some muscle underneath, so when the fat finally goes, it won't be soft and unimpressive. It'll just make it pop a little bit more. So if you're trying to lose belly fat but you're training your abs, that doesn't mean that you're going to target that area any quicker. You're just wasting your time. This is also the same for the other parts of the body, like your legs, your arms and also your back. Pretty much anywhere you cannot spot reduce belly fat. You can't shrink it by targeting it with any weights, but what you can do is shape it to when the fat does leave, it looks solid and quite impressive. But here is the main problem that people have when going into this calorie deficit, trying to lose weight and also trying to build some muscle. Most people screw up and they quit halfway. They expect a load of magic to happen within 3 weeks, but they don't even move the scales and they give up. But stubborn fat is called stubborn for a reason. It's the last to go. And pretty much you just have to keep pushing through these weeks. It's not linear, it's not fast, but it works every single time. So stop wasting your time with these ab creams and also these 30-day shred workouts. All you have to do is stay in a calorie deficit, eat smart, maybe get some protein in there as well, and just stay consistent. Because the truth is, the fat will come off, but it's not normally where you want it. Mainly the stomach area is going to be last for most people, but if you hold on long enough, you will look exactly how you imagined in the near future. So just keep pushing. And thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any recommendations for videos in the near future, please drop them down in the comments below. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.